Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your BECU online banking account. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here I'm using Safari for now. Then on the search box, search for www.becu.org and then press enter. This will take you to the website. Before you log in, you'll have to make sure that you have an account first. If you don't have an account in BECU, then you will be unable to log in. If you do have an account, you may proceed. You may click on the login button in red, which is right between the search button and the join BECU button. Now, if you are a member of BECU and have enrolled to online banking before, you may click on the login button. This will take you to a new page where you have to enter your login credentials to log in to your BECU online banking account. Now, if you already are a member in BECU but haven't enrolled to online banking yet, you may click on the click here to enroll link right below the forgot your user ID link. However, if you are not a member in BECU and you want to sign up, then you may click on the sign up for membership with BECU link below the click here to enroll link. Now to proceed with your login, you may enter your user ID in the first text box. Then you may enter your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your user ID or password, you may click on the forgot your password or forgot your user ID link right below the login button. Once you make sure you filled in all your details correctly, then you may click on the login button in red. This will simply log you in to your BECU online banking account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.